Cndome, share with world. Changzhou abrasives manufacturer has more than 50 production lines, which can meet the production needs of different types of abrasive discs. Our production line uses advanced machinery and technologies to ensure precision and consistency. We can produce 400,000 pieces of cutting discs per day, guaranteeing on-time delivery. After the production is completed, professional inspectors need to conduct quality inspections on each piece. We will pack the products in plastic packaging to ensure that they will not get damp due to long-term storage. Our warehouse is very large, nearly 2,000 square meters. There is no need to worry about our stockability. We take pride in our commitment to quality and safety, and our state-of-the-art production facility is designed to meet and exceed industrial standards.